something about your college. Like when was it founded or?
It was founded in early 1980s.
1980s. Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me something about your college, the crowd, the academics, the extracurricular, about the festivals.
Yeah, so the main part of the college, the best look is the NKBMS from where we are. And we have a 5-day festival, Mirage. Like you all know, you all have participated in it.
Okay. So when does Mirage take place? Mirage, right?
Yeah, Mirage. December 1st week or 2nd week.
December 1st week, 2nd week. Has it happened this year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was it?
It's amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah.
Great. So pumped up by all that, what happened? in
Definitely, yeah,
December.
sure.
So you guys are participating in Laksh, of course. That's the reason
Yes,
you're
yes,
here.
yes.
Yeah.
So how are the preparations going?
They are going pretty well.
Okay. So tell me something about yourself, you, and I'll be coming to you. To
Yeah,
Manan.
so I joined the BMS section last year. I'm in the 2nd year. I had a
Okay.
good experience of 2 years being a CL, participating in many events and doing my own festival Mirage too.
Okay. So no, apart from the the whole academic and college part, so what do you do in your personal life? So do you have any hobbies or?
No, not specifically any hobbies, but I just don't like to sit at my home.
अच्छा तो आपको कुछ करना है like.
Yes.
So what do you play some sport or?
No, I actually roam around with my friends, chilling.
Oh chilling. नहीं वो हम लोग सब करते हैं.
Yeah.
अभी सूट वूट पहन के बैठे हैं घर पे जाके हाफ पैंट टी शर्ट.
वो सब उसमें बैठे.
So that's it. Aryan, you do something?
Yeah,
specific. Like,
specifically I play football
Oh, you
with my
play
friends at and we play matches around.
okay, so you have a football league.
Yeah, football.
So
league.
you're passionately in.
Passionately,
do you
yeah.
play for your college?
No, I don't play with the college because I'm in the culture and I play perform dance and all.
You are a performer as
Performer,
well.
yes,
Stage
well, yeah,
performer.
yeah.
Dance.
Stage performer, yeah.
Oh, that's great to hear. Yeah, we have people from all around, like
Sports and all.
traveling. So yeah, that's great to have you here, man. So let's start with the rapid fire round. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay. So who should I ask first? Manan?
Yeah,
You want to
sure.
go first? Okay. So Manan, who was your first celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush. Jacqueline Fernandez.
Jacqueline Fernandez.
Yeah.
We are going to lock horns on this one because I like Jacqueline a lot. If you woke up one day as Khilji, what would you do? Have you watched Padmavat?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, so what would you do?
I would kill myself.
You'd kill yourself.
Yeah,
Why?
because I hate that character.
Oh, you hate Khilji.
Yeah.
That's a very specific thing to do. Okay, so Manan,
Yeah.
back to you. If you could be one person from the film industry, who would it be and why?
Salman Khan because he's one of the famous actor all over the Bollywood and to Hollywood also, and he does a lot of charity work. So I
So
love
you like
to,
Salman Khan?
yeah, Salman Khan a lot.
That's great. Even I'm a big Salman Khan fan. Anyways, a pickup line that you used or was used on you. Any pickup line?
From that ad of Manyava, मैं हमेशा ख्याल रखूँगा. That line.
That's great.
Keeper. One thing that NK has and the other colleges do not.
The unity.
Unity.
Yeah.
NK has unity.
Yeah, a lot.
I can answer this.
Okay.
Our trophies are not fixed. Our trophies are not fixed.
Your trophies are not fixed.
Yeah.
So I didn't get that.
Like about our college and our festival, the trophies which we give.
Acha, when others win the trophies
Yeah.
you give, it's not fixed.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, that's...
I mean, if you get that.
Yeah, I do get that. But have you been caught doing something you shouldn't be doing? What was it? हुआ तो होगा यार, like कभी तो होते हैं.
Yeah, obviously. Actually, I was found kissing my girlfriend in the car, where I should have not been caught by a cop.
By a cop.
Yeah.
Anyways, so if you were a private investigator, Who would you go after in your committee?
Committee. Samiran. Samiran.
Samiran?
Yeah.
Okay. A rumor that you have heard about any other college?
I'll not specify the name of the college, but I've heard that there is a college which tortures their juniors if they don't attend the event. If they don't attend the event.
Okay. Manan, what do you? 3 things no one knows about you.
I smoke.
Your friends must be knowing that.
No. Not all of them, but only specifically 2 or 3 guys know that. And
How many of them will know?
yeah, now I know that. And I'm not virgin.
Okay.
And I have a family issue that they don't know.
You?
Family issues that they don't know.
Okay,
and
so
I don't want to
you
tell them.
smoke, you're not a virgin, and you have
family issues.
Okay. Write a Tinder bio for each other. इसके लिए लिख दो बस एकदम तड़ाके वाला. हो Tinder पे? You guys are on Tinder?
No, we are not in that.
जरूरत पड़ती है.
No.
So yeah, write for him and then likewise you write for him.
Start. Okay, so
Karkal Dharmat is a good Tinder bio.
Yug Manik, the one of the richest guy in our college and known for its standard living.
Okay, Yug Manik, one of the richest man in
Yeah.
NK and known for the standard of living.
Yes.
Okay, and for him,
Anisha, a bit cute and a bit horny.
a
Horny.
bit cute and a bit horny.
Yeah,
Oh,
very.
fine.
Is your Tinder bio for
Yes,
Manan?
he is very horny.
अच्छी बात कही थी लौंडे ने आपके बारे में, आपने फैला दिया रायता इसका.
Junior है ना.
Okay, Manan,
Yeah.
which college comes to your mind when I say the following?
Okay.
Good crowd,
Wilson.
Wilson. Competitive,
Thakur.
Thakur. Thakur, when?
Kandivali.
Kandivali.
Yeah.
Team spirit,
Team Spirit. NL. Our college.
NK.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the end of our segment, rapid fire. So we'll move on to our next segment. भाई लोग buzz around है. I'll ask you questions. Buzz करना. If you know the answer. Once you answer, I'll give you 3 seconds. Okay. If in those 3 seconds you are unable to answer, the chance is passed on to the next person. Cool. Okay. Who's the singer of the following songs? Girls Like You.
Maroon 5.
Shape of You.
Ed Sheeran.
Buzzer.
And the last one, Animals.
Martin Garrix.
Okay. Name 5 Hindi web series.
5 Hindi web series. Okay. Secret Games. Mirzapur.
Buzzer.
Love Stories. And you can help me out, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't
Abhi,
know what
the
series.
chance is passed on to you, by the way. He was unable to answer it in 3 seconds.
I don't watch Hindi series.
Okay.
So,
Cool. What is the currency of the United Arab Emirates?
Dirham.
Okay. Name any 3 characters from the LCL trailer.
Sanjay Dutt, Kajol, and Shah Rukh Khan.
Cool. That was the end of the buzzer round. Now we will move on to our next round. That is a game round. So this game is never have I ever.
Okay.
Okay. I will ask you questions of some things you have done or you have not done. If you have done that particular thing, you have to take a coffee shot from
If I have
coffee tea. Yeah, if you have. Never have I ever put gum under a desk. अभी नहीं किया?
No.
मजाक. Anyways, never have I ever picked my nose in public? Never?
No.
काफ़ी संस्कारी लौंडे हो तुम लोग. Never have I ever had a Tinder date.
No.
Never?
No, never.
Okay, this one you might have. Never have I ever hooked up in a club.
Club, yeah. That's me.
बोला था ना, मैं ना पहचान लेता हूँ. कितने बार किया अभी उतने शॉट्स ले.
Only one time.
Never have I ever gate crashed a wedding.
Gate crash wedding. A lot.
Okay. I hope ये ना हुआ हो, पर हुआ होगा तो हाथ मिलाऊंगा. Never have I ever got more than 3 KTs.
I'm a departed student. I have to take this all.
Okay, so that was the end of our LCL talk show. Hope you guys had a great time. So this was Yug Manik and Manan Shah on our couch of Lights Camera Lux, PR initiative by Team Lux 2019. Hope you guys had fun.